Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Sea to Summit toiletry bag is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of gear for any traveler, whether you're embarking on a weekend camping trip or a month-long expedition across continents, as it keeps all your personal hygiene items organized, protected, and easily accessible, preventing leaks and spills that could ruin other belongings and ensuring you have everything you need to stay fresh and comfortable on the go. Number 5. BAGSMART Toiletry Bag, Medium Black. Introducing the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag, your perfect travel companion. Keep all your essentials organized and accessible wherever you go. Featuring a convenient hanging hook, this bag allows you to easily hang it in any bathroom or on any door. No more cluttered countertops. Don't worry about spills or leaks. Its water-resistant material protects your belongings and keeps the bag looking great. Designed to hold everything from shampoo bottles to makeup. Multiple compartments keep your items neatly separated and easy to find. The medium size is ideal for most trips, offering ample space without being bulky. It's the perfect balance of capacity and portability. Available in a classic black color, this organizer is both stylish and built to last. Upgrade your travel routine with this essential accessory. What we like. This toiletry bag offers excellent organization with its hanging hook and multiple compartments. If you need to keep your toiletries tidy and easily accessible in small hotel bathrooms, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value convenience and a clutter-free space. What people say. The hanging hook is a game changer. It makes it so easy to access everything without digging through my suitcase or cluttering the bathroom counter. The compartments are thoughtfully laid out, with plenty of space for full-size toiletries, makeup, and smaller essentials. I also appreciate that it's water-resistant. It gives me peace of mind in case anything spills. The build quality is outstanding with robust zippers, reinforced stitching, and durable materials that have withstood countless trips through airports, hotels, and various travel conditions. Number 4. D&D Wanderlust Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag. Introducing the D&D Wanderlust Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag, your perfect companion for any journey. Keep all your essentials neatly organized and easily accessible wherever you go. With 10 thoughtfully designed compartments, this organizer offers ample space for all your cosmetics, makeup, and toiletries. Everything has its place, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Designed for both men and women, this versatile bag is ideal for travel, gym, or everyday use. Its durable construction ensures it can handle the demands of your active lifestyle. The convenient hanging hook allows you to easily access your items in any bathroom or hotel room. No more clutter on the counter, just hang it up and you're ready to go. Make your travels more convenient and organized with this essential toiletry bag. It's the smart way to carry your personal care items, ensuring you have what you need, when you need it. What we like. With a generous 10 compartments, this hanging toiletry bag ensures everything has its place. If you carry a lot of different items and want to keep them separated and easy to find, this organizer is ideal. It's suitable for both men and women who appreciate detailed organization for their travel essentials. What people say. The bag feels sturdy and well made, and the metal hook is strong and very practical for hanging it in hotel bathrooms. It has 10 compartments that make organization effortless. Everything from razors, shaving cream, and colognes to toothbrushes and small electronics has its place and is easy to find. The XXL metal swivel hook is a game changer for saving counter space in hotels, bathrooms, or campsites. The bag is spacious, with multiple compartments and mesh pockets that keep everything organized and visible at a glance. The hanging hook is sturdy and allows me to hang the bag in bathrooms or closets, saving counter space. Number 3. Wise Owl Outfitters Waterproof Dry Bag 3-Pack. Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters Waterproof Dry Bag 3-Pack. This versatile set is designed to keep your gear safe and dry on any adventure, from kayaking to hiking. With 3 convenient sizes, 5L, 10L, and 20L, these bags are perfect for organizing everything. They're ideal for a day at the beach, a long hike, or any water-based activity. Crafted from ripstop nylon with a water-resistant coating, these bags are built to last. They offer a great balance of lightweight portability and everyday durability for all your water adventures. Featuring a reliable roll-top closure and a secure buckle clip, you can trust that your belongings will stay dry. The integrated D-ring also allows you to easily attach it to your gear. Accidentally drop it in the water? No problem. These bags are designed to float, keeping your gear visible and accessible. They are essential accessories for rafting, river floating, and kayaking. Despite their compact nature, these bags offer ample space for clothing, electronics, and more. They are the perfect waterproof solution for beach trips, trails, swimming, or river excursions. Use them as compression bags or waterproof clothing bags to pack smart in any situation. They are perfect for organizing luggage, stashing layers in your backpack, or keeping essentials dry. What we like. This set provides 3 waterproof dry bags in versatile sizes, perfect for protecting your gear from water. If your adventures involve water activities like kayaking, boating, or beach trips, these are essential. They are ideal for anyone who needs to keep electronics, clothing, or other valuables dry and safe. What people say. The bags themselves are as light as a feather and extremely manipulable and soft. Multi-useful. These carrier bags just work. When rain-snow is a threat, one bag gets my sleeping bag and extra base insulating layers, etc. The smaller sack is a great catch-all for cooking, first aid, extra paracord, patch tape, etc. Great for any activity near the water where your belongings might get wet. Keeps my belongings nice and dry. Does exactly what it says it does. Good stitching and material. Number 2. Toiletry Bag Kit Set. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for all your toiletries. This comprehensive kit ensures you stay organized on the go. Our spacious hanging toiletry bag offers convenient access to your essentials. It's designed to keep everything neat and tidy in any bathroom. Travel with ease thanks to the included 311 TSA-compliant cosmetic liquid bag. It's perfect for carrying your liquids through airport security. Keep your smaller items secure and accessible with the ultralight accessory organizer pouch. It's lightweight and adds no bulk to your luggage. This set provides a complete organization solution for your travel needs. Everything you need is neatly packed and ready for your next adventure. Crafted for durability and style, this toiletry bag set is built to last. It's the perfect blend of functionality and modern design for any traveler. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a hanging toiletry bag, a TSA-approved liquid bag, and an accessory pouch for ultimate organization. If you're looking for a complete travel solution that covers all your toiletry and accessory needs, including easy airport security checks, this set is for you. It's perfect for travelers who want a streamlined packing experience. What people say. The little compartments hold spots for Q-tips, lens wipes, specialty floss. It's wide enough to fit an electric toothbrush, a full-size bar of soap, a full-size deodorant, vitamins for 3 weeks of travel, and so much more, plus a few basic cosmetics. The clear, plastic portion snaps off for easy removal when going through airport security. The long bag was perfect for my burst toothbrush, in a travel case, hairbrush and travel straightener. It has a handy hook for hanging on a towel bar or hook, and I love that it tucks out of the way so conveniently. And with so many compartments I was able to keep all my things sorted and super easy to find and access. Number 1. Tripped Travel Gear Tech Bag Organizer. Are you tired of digging through your bag for chargers and accessories? Keep all your essential electronics and their accessories neatly organized in one convenient case. This tech organizer is crafted from durable 900D polyester with weatherproof zippers and elegant leather accents. It's designed for both style and resilience. Unlike bulky alternatives, its minimal design fits perfectly for travel or daily use. It holds all your essentials without being cumbersome. Whether for international travel or daily commutes, this organizer simplifies packing. It's perfect for keeping headphones, chargers, and other essentials accessible. Featuring a zippered compartment for SD cards, divided slots for drives and battery banks, and ample space for cables and pens, it keeps everything secure. Never lose track of your small electronics again. This organizer ensures everything has its place, making your travels smoother. What we like. This tech organizer is designed to keep all your small electronics and accessories neatly in one place. If you're tired of tangled cables and lost chargers, this premium case with its thoughtful compartments is the solution. It's perfect for frequent travelers or anyone who wants to keep their gadgets organized and protected on the go. What people say. The designed interior has multiple compartments and a mesh pocket, allowing for easy separation of chargers, adapters, and other essentials. The layout reduces clutter and makes my items easy to locate. It's well made from durable fabric and the zippers operate smoothly and reliably. Its compact size fits easily into carry-ons or backpacks, making it ideal for both short getaways and extended travel. This tech bag holds so much. Honestly, I've had several different bags that I've used in the past to corral my crazy cords, but this small pouch is awesome. There are several different pockets for small items like SD cards, USB drives, etc. But then there are several larger pockets to hold charging cables, laptop chargers, wireless headphones, and any other random cords you may need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.